Ever feel like no matter how much you do to relax, your mind just won't shut off and your body feels tense, stuck in a cycle of stress? It's something we all experience, especially when we're constantly pulled in so many different directions. For entrepreneurs, it's a daily battle, balancing deadlines, decisions, and all the demands of running a business while trying to stay focused and engaged. But what if I told you there's a simple yet powerful way to break free from that cycle and regain your sense of calm, energy, and clarity? Hi, I'm Mero Gonzalez, founder of Key Energetics. Since 2003, I've been empowering entrepreneurs to enjoy stress-free, thriving, and balanced lifestyles by harnessing their health, mind, and energy through ancient Eastern practices. One of the key principles I teach in my Key Energetics classes is called water up, fire down. And it's essential for restoring your body's balance by activating your parasympathetic nervous system. Now, I'm sure you've heard of the parasympathetic system before. It's part of the nervous system responsible for relaxation, digestion, and recovery. You can think of it as your body's reset button, a state where healing and restoration happen naturally. But when we're stuck in stress mode, this system doesn't activate like it should. So here's the thing. Your core vitality is the foundation of this reset. When we talk about core vitality, we're talking about the strength and warmth in your lower abdomen, or what we call the danjan in Eastern practices. This is where your body's energy gathers and circulates. When the core is warm and active, it signals to your parasympathetic nervous system that it's safe to relax, to release the tension in your chest, your neck, and your head. You feel clearer, more grounded, and more able to handle whatever comes your way. I've worked with so many people who've experienced this transformation. One of my clients, a local business owner who felt constantly overwhelmed by the demands of her company, came to me saying she was always in her head, stressed and disconnected from her body. Through our Key Energetics practice, she started to focus on warming and strengthening her core vitality. From the very first class, she noticed her energy stabilizing, less mental fog, fewer moments of feeling overwhelmed. She told me she felt more in flow with her day, more in control of her reactions, and much more engaged in her work. And that's the power of this practice. Now, imagine what that could do for you. When you build core vitality and strengthen your energy flow, you're not just calming stress in the moment. You're creating a lasting foundation of resilience. Your body and mind stop reacting to stress the same way. Instead of being stuck in fight or flight, you shift into a space of creativity, engagement, and balance. So I invite you to take a moment right now. Just sit up in your chair and place your hands on your lower abdomen. Tuck in your chin, align your face with your spine, and breathe deeply into that space. Feel your belly rise with each inhale, and as you exhale, feel a sense of warmth and grounding. Let's do it together. Breathe in, feel your belly expanding, and breathe out. And feel the warmth in your belly and a sense of grounding into your body. And this is where it begins. And when you start to nurture that core vitality, everything changes. Not just how you feel, but how you show up in your life, in your work, and in your relationships. Through Key Energetics, we work together to build this foundation of strength and ease, creating space for more flow and energy in your day. If you're ready to feel more resilient, to shift from stress to vibrancy, I encourage you to join me in one of my classes. Together, we'll activate your core vitality and create a life that feels lighter, clearer, and more empowered. Thanks for being here. I look forward to guiding you on this journey to deeper vitality and lasting resilience. If you want to learn more about the benefits of building your core vitality and water up, fire down energy condition, read the full article by clicking the link in the description.